There was once a poor man who lived with his wife. They lived in an old house at the end of an old village and kept their animals in an old barn. Both the man and his wife were farmers. They also had a dog and a cat and an old cow who gave them milk every day. They raised some geese on their farm and earned their living by selling the eggs. The geese laid eggs every day, and every day the farmer collected the eggs and sold them in the market. They received money from selling the eggs and bought the food and other things they needed. One day, the farmer went to collect the eggs, but this day was different. He looked in the nest and started jumping up and down with joy. One of the geese had laid a big golden egg. Come and see this," he called out to his wife. She came running to see. She was so excited. She grabbed the farmer and started dancing around and around. "I don't believe it! Our goose has laid a golden egg!" she shouted happily. "We will sell this golden egg and we will be rich!" Later that day, the farmer ran into town and sold the golden egg to the goldsmith. The goldsmith looked at the golden egg. He was impressed and asked the farmer, "Where did you get this?" "I have a special goose that lays golden eggs, the golden goose," replied the man excitedly. He was delighted when he got a lot of money for it. "If the goose lays a golden egg each day, we will soon be very rich," the farmer said to his wife. They were so happy, and every day they gave the goose extra food, hoping that it would lay another golden egg. The next day, the farmer's wish came true. The goose laid another golden egg. Both the farmer and his wife were thrilled that they would make more money. Once again, the farmer ran into town and sold the golden egg for money. After a few weeks, the farmer became very, very rich. The goose laid a golden egg every day, which gave the farmer and his wife a lot of money. They bought a new house and a new wagon and a new cow and a lot of new clothes and shoes. The farmer now was a rich man, but it wasn't enough for him. He wanted more, and soon he became greedy. One day, he had an idea. He believed that the goose had many golden eggs in its stomach. He ran to his wife and said, "If I cut open the goose's stomach, we will get all the golden eggs and we will be rich forever," he said with a smile. He took a knife and walked to the barn. He saw the goose and said, "Come here, my little friend. I just want to pet you." But the goose sensed danger and ran away. The farmer chased after it. Up the barn and down they ran, and back and forth again, but he could not catch it. The farmer's wife came to help, and both the man and his wife continued chasing the goose. The goose ran and ran and ran some more, and they were soon out of breath. Finally, the farmer caught the goose. He took his knife and cut open the goose's stomach excitedly. But, to his surprise, there were no golden eggs there. Disappointed, the farmer fell to his knees. His wife came running and started crying. Both of them realized their mistake. The wife looked at the farmer and said sadly, "We had a golden egg every day, and now we will never have a golden egg again. We were greedy, and because of that, we have lost everything."